Okay, I'm going to go through the exponential question. So just to be clear about this, because it specifically says exponentially the population is growing, then you have to assume that the equation is going to take this form: y equals ka to the power x, where k is a variable and x is also a number that we're going to figure out. So in this case, you can make two formulas. It's not a coincidence that they've given you month 0, because when you substitute that into your first equation, it's going to help you to find your k values. So in this case, using the first box, we know that if we're going to treat this as x and this as y, then 100 is equal to k times a to the power 0. Anything to the power 0 is 1. So in other words, 100 is equal to k. And our second equation is going to be 200 equals k a to the power x. 200 equals, well, we know k is 100. A is just a constant, and then x in this case is 2. So now we just need to solve this. So we know that 200 over 100 equals a squared. So a is just going to be the square root of 2, because that simplifies to just 2. So then it says, how many rabbits will there be at the start of month 5? Well, we can just use our formula now. So you can say y equals 100a to the power x. Well, a is just root 2. So we can say y is equal to 100 root 2 to the power, well, in this case it's 5. You put that in your calculator, which is going to give me 100 times brackets root 2 to the power 5, and you get 565.68. And in this case, you can just round it to 565 because you can't have 0.6 of a rabbit. Okay, so that's how you, just the key thing to remember here is because it tells you it's exponential, then this has to be the curve, the equation.